Here's every circle theorem you need to know for GCSE Maths. And quickly, just before we begin, here's the definition for the word subtend. You'll need to know what it means for this video. First circle theorem that you need to know is that the angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice that subtended by the same arc at the circumference. An example of that for this image is that no matter what size angle B is, the angle at the center will always be 2b. The second circle theorem you need to know is that angles at the circumference which are subtended by the same arc are exactly the same. The third rule is that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, which is a quadrilateral where all four corners are touching the circumference of a circle, add up to 180. For example, in this image, A and C would add up to 180 and D and B would add up to 180. This next circle theorem is linked to the first one. The angle at the circumference in a semicircle is 90 degrees. If you think about it, the angle at the center is just 180. I don't know why this is counted as a different theorem, but it is. Now then, for the two circle theorems related to tangents. Tangents of a circle that meet at a point are the same length. For example, in this image, FE is the same length as GE, and a tangent and radius meet at 90 degrees. The second to last circle theorem is that the perpendicular from a chord, which is a line that cuts across a circle touching 2 points in the circumference, to the center of the circle bisects the chord. The last circle theorem, and arguably the hardest to explain verbally, is that the angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. And it's best shown just through this image where the angles which are the same color are the same. Anyway, that's the end of this video. If you want to see a video on how to actually apply these circle theorems in exam style questions, then let me know, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.